Okay, so it has been far longer than I like to admit since my last video, but rest assured I have been working on something and it will be coming out sometime soon. But right now I have just more of an announcement. Since my last video, I've been playing around with 3D printing and 3D modeling, and I have something super cool I'm excited to share with you guys. These are my 3D printed light switch covers, screwless design. In the following days, I'll be putting out more sizes, variations, and custom options for these. But right now, you can get this on my Etsy shop. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so here we have a normal light switch. Let's unscrew it. Once you get the plate off, take your bracket. The front side is the one with the little lip down. Now we're just gonna screw the new bracket in. Once that's screwed in, we'll take the plate. Now these are really easy to get on. You might notice there's a little lip here, and what you're gonna do is you'll take one side and hook that lip under, then pull the side you just hooked up and push the other side down. And just like that, it's clicked on. Now, if you want to take it off, you just simply pull straight out and then pull one side up. And it pops right off. And then I could, for instance, put on this one right here that has artwork on it. And that's how you install custom 3D printed light switch covers. Some things that I am working on or will be doing in the future are adding the larger size for the different switches and also ones to accommodate multiple switches at once. Also hoping to bring different colors and shapes as well as custom painted options. Now this product could be left blank as a clean, minimalistic looking SwitchPlate cover. However, this can also be used as a perfect canvas for art. For instance, you can make sketches in pencil, color with markers, paint, and much more. After it's done, I recommend you spray paint over with some sort of clear gauze to seal your artwork. And just like that, you have a beautiful customized light switch cover for anywhere you want in your house. If any of this interests you, go to the first link in the description to check out my Etsy shop. Now, I'm not going to actually get into too much about the printer itself. That will come in the next video, but I do want to still give you that teaser I promised. Okay, I hope you did enjoy this short little video. Make sure to subscribe if that interested you, and yeah, I gotta go edit.